Discover the ultimate dental health solution with brand new probiotics for teeth and gums.
Introducing ProDentim, a unique blend of 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients, backed by clinical research, specially designed for optimal dental and gum health.
ProDentim is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before.
It's the only product in the world with a unique blend of 3.5 billion probiotics and nutrients, specially designed to repopulate your mouth with good bacteria.
Made in the USA. Natural formula, no stimulants, easy to use, gluten-free, non-habit forming, quality tested, free shipping, no GMO.
A recent study put out in the Springer Nature publication found that people who have good teeth have a high population of good bacteria in the mouth. Hint, no toothpaste or mouthwash involved.
As it turns out, many common dental products such as toothpaste and mouthwash contain toxic ingredients that can destroy the microbiome in the mouth.
This explains why teeth can thrive for hundreds of years outside the mouth, in fossils, while in our mouth they get ruined by something so simple as chocolate.
Every ProDentim you chew will support the good health of your gums and teeth.
According to the designer of this unique product, this is all made possible through nutritious substances that have long been used in traditional dental medicine.
This not only results in fast, healthy, and sparkling white teeth, it also dramatically eliminates bad breath and cures bleeding gums.
Take action now. Check out the links below this video and uncover the secret to dental longevity.